start with some of these emotions, and I'm going to start with numbness. Now, numbness is one of the first emotions that grievers tend to feel, and it's there for a reason. What does numbness feel like? Well, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? You feel numb, you don't feel anything, you feel detached, you don't feel like you're quite there. And there's a reason for it. Why do we feel numb? Well, what happens when somebody dies? It can be a real shock, especially if it's a traumatic loss, if it's a suicide, if it's an accident, if you weren't expecting it. And for your body to be able to take that on and understand it all at once would just be too much. It would be completely overwhelming. And so the body's brilliant. What it does, it keeps you safe. And it's like, you can't take all this. I'm going to numb it out for a little bit so that you don't feel it all at once. So those first days, and I don't know if we've got any very early grievers, but the first days are when we feel kind of numb. And I remember when my husband Brian died, it was 10 days between his death and his funeral. And I didn't feel too bad. And I was shocked. I'm like, okay, well, I think I'm going to be able to handle this pretty well. I'm going to be pretty good with this because I went to a movie with a friend. We went out shopping for urns and things. And I figured I'd got this grief thing down pat. It was going to be okay until the day after the funeral. And that's when it hit. And so that's when the numbness started to wear off. So numbness is there to protect you from just too much overwhelm. It may be just that you're overwhelmed with all the things that you have to do and all the decisions that you have to do because there are so many in those early days, aren't there? And so that's what numbness does. It protects you. And it matters that you understand that so that you know that you're not being heartless. You might think to yourself, gosh, I think I should be crying, but I'm not crying. And you might start to feel bad about yourself, but don't. This is normal. And you may even feel the pressure of others because they notice and they say, you seem to be, as they will do, oh, you're so strong or you're doing well. And it's just that it hasn't quite hit you yet. So that's normal. It's not that you're heartless. It's not that you don't love the person that died. It's your body protecting you from overwhelming pain.